Yo, JBlanked here. How to build your first FlipperZero app the easy way, part 5. Now, before we begin, make sure you have completed the steps from part 1, where we set up the environment, cloned the Hello World C++ project, and reviewed the app structure. Make sure you have also completed the steps from part 2, where we learned how to connect to Wi-Fi, send an HTTP request, then process the response. Make sure you have also completed the steps from part 3, where we integrated the loading animation, created a menu, and added another API. And lastly, make sure you have completed the steps from part 4, where we added post requests and fixed the menu input. Today in part 5, we are integrating the delete and put HTTP methods by adding 2 more APIs. Then lastly, we'll learn how to use HTTP requests to download files over Wi-Fi directly to your FlipperZero. Now, let's open up Visual Studio Code and activate our environment. On Windows, you would use /venv/scripts/activate. Then we can go back into and now we're all set. Let's open up our run header and update our menu items enum. Okay, now let's open up run.cpp and head to the input key OK case within our menu input method. And update the switch statement to include our new APIs. Let's also use the enum name instead of a number. And now, let's reset our request state in the input key back case right here. And now let's scroll down to our update draw method and update the request not started case to include our new APIs. So we have 6. Let's make this a post. Put, delete, download. Okay. Now we only need to scroll down to the request received case and update our JSON and display text. And that's literally all we had to do. Just like the get and post methods, the delete, put, and bytes methods will save the received data to the Flipper's SD card. Now we can launch the app and test our new features. Now in our run view, we see our new APIs. When we click put, it sends a put request to HTTP bin, which just like the post request, it just simply returns the data that was sent to it. When we click delete, it sends a delete request, which also returns the data that was sent to it. When we click download, it sends a get request, and the return data is saved to the file on the Flipper's SD card. However, unlike the other request, the data returned is in bytes. In my experience, this method is preferred over the regular GET request because it's faster and can handle really big files. And that's it. We took our multi-request app from part 4 and added 3 more APIs to send a put and delete request and to download files. If you're enjoying this tutorial series, let me know down in the comments below and leave a thumbs up on this video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. I'm JBlanked. Until next time, peace.